For us at William Julius Wilson Institute, we see ourselves as approachable experts. We're in 55 places across this country supporting millions of young people. We recognize that the federal landscape is much different, and we're not really certain as to what's going to happen over the next couple of years. But we do know that locally led solutions have worked for decades and they'll continue to work.
The William Julius Wilson Institute has helped us as a thought partner to delve deeper into what is it that our community really needs. What they've been able to do is ask those tough questions and remind us that the uniqueness of our organization, we're expanding our reach, and that means going from 0 to 5 all the way to age 12. So we're slowly going into a cradle-to-career.
The technical assistance that we've received has been remarkable. That visioning helped us to refine our purpose and helped us to identify strategic priorities.
I see them as almost like an extension of my team. It has helped me build capacity in ways that I would not have been able to, especially in the areas of community engagement. They have been incredibly helpful in helping us understand how to navigate this important stakeholder group.
We've had the opportunity to meet with their team on a monthly basis to really dig into our data, to leverage the tools and resources around asset mapping to help us identify what are our strengths, our opportunities, and to work with communities to have some thoughtful and strategic conversations about what comes next.
How do we get clearer about what our data story is, the story behind the numbers, our narrative around our marketing and comms, how we could diversify our revenue, our fundraising.
We don't believe in Zoom. We like to go on the ground. We like to be in community. And that's important because this work itself is very personal. My team spends over 60% of the time on the road. That's very intentional.
They're in the community with us, or they're inviting us to Harlem to be in community with them and saying, okay, well, how would this work for you? Because they've been there before.
To have folks be shoulder to shoulder with you, coming out and being with us in schools, talking with parents and students about what they're hoping to see. That's a level of engagement and partnership that I am incredibly thankful for.
This isn't them theorizing. These are real practitioners from Mr. Jeffrey Canada all the way through with everyone.
The exciting moment for us at the Harlem Children's Zone and WJWI right now is we've actually have a set of results which demonstrate that you can interrupt generational poverty.
Recently, we did a visit to the Practitioners Institute. We were bringing cross-sector leaders from Toledo. The guiding questions that we had in our debriefing sessions led by WJWI really had a great impact. When we got back to Toledo, Ohio, our cross-sector partners were so inspired to do more with us.
Some of the outcomes of our last visit to Harlem is a deepened partnership with our housing community authority, our public school system, with our United Way to cultivate new giving opportunities. All of those are direct impact from our Practitioner Institute.
The Institute has really allowed us to do a self-assessment of other government entities that we can tap into. We quickly went back to our mayor and the directors of those agencies and said, here's what we need from you to be a good partner with us.
The work we're doing right now in education would not happen without the William Julius Wilson Institute, partnering with our superintendent, Dr. Maria Vasquez.
One of the statements we make at the Harlem Children's Zone, we go to where the families and our team of folks are worried and scared. This is what it means to me to be on the ground, in communities. It's hard work, which is why we created the Summer Institute. Let's bring those folks who are on the ground together.
Because WJWI has a national scope, it's the opportunity to really look at what are best practices across the country, and to also be able to bring those examples back and to share them with our community and other stakeholders.
To have the mayor of Poughkeepsie here at the Summer Institute along with us, thinking about what could be possible. There's such an incredible opportunity.
Being able to share best practices from a bilateral perspective and to be able to make meaningful connections of colleagues across the field is all that is required in order to be able to have a fighting shot at this bold vision, which is to break cycles of intergenerational poverty. We are here because of our love for children.
We're committed to doing whatever we can to make sure that the communities across the country actually see real progress for young people and their families.